Alright, mate. Anything to say to your boss?
Sorry?
What's that in your hands? What you're holding in your hands there?
My phone.
Right, and anything to say to your boss about it?
He said for me job. Check what is it.
You're not allowed to hold it, my friend.
Sorry?
You're not allowed to hold it.
I'm not understanding.
You're not allowed to hold the phone.
Yeah, I know.
So why are you holding it then?
Stop it, I'm not driving.
This is driving. Legally it's driving.
Thank you.
AE20CWN. And of course he is driving. He's just part of a queue of traffic.